This questionnaire, complete verification of the stool type and physical fitness, a video interview, stool and blood test, paid for by us. Get paid $500 per stool. Oh, wow. If you're having a bowel movement every day, you can make 150. Oh, just playing. Yeah, I ain't really about that, but I got a great side hustle for you guys. Being a superhero. Get it, superhero? That's right. I'm talking about pooping for a purpose, getting paid for microbiomes, better known as fecal matter. Yes, you can get paid just for pooping. It sounds disgusting, I know, right? Yeah, so not your cup of tea. Go ahead and log out. I appreciate you being here on the Boss Up with K YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. But like always, we're going to get into it. I got 4 companies that's doing this. They're paying you for your boo. No BS. No bull. Straight human BS. Get it? All right. Enough of these dad jokes. Let's get into it. So, like I said, we're going to get into it. Look at this guy right here. He's a superhero. So, it's going to get into these 4 companies that pay you just for pooping. Smell you in a minute. Next, we got human microbes. So they do the same thing, fecal matter research, transplant, focus on things of that nature. We want your poop. They got athletes, all kind of fit people. They want that poop. Yes, we need your poop gut. So they're basically trying to, research and how this stuff affects people's guts. They got a video here.
Microbes are everywhere. On your phone, in your water bottle, on your hands before you wash them, on your hand of human health. Children born via C-section have a higher rate of asthma, immune diseases, and even leukemia.
Let's see, how do we become one? That looks disgusting there. I remember seeing this episode of Vice. That poop. Okay, so complete this questionnaire, complete verification of the stool type and physical fitness, a video interview, stool and blood test, paid for by us. Get paid $500 per stool. Oh, wow. If you're having a bowel movement every day, you can make 150. See, now that's when it gets a little skeptical that you can make 180,000 a year. I do poop pretty regularly, but I'm not sure how much poop they're taking. So let's see, how do you get the poop to them? You can be a donor on your own schedule. If you're too busy to wait, only for a large clinical trial after screening 26 donor applicants are still not getting the quality of donor we're looking for, we've increased our payouts. Oh, wow. So you got to be, they have a strict criteria looking like. You definitely want somebody healthy. But how do you get the poop to them? That's what we're trying to find out, guys. Let's see the questionnaire. So here, microbes, birthing, important. Let's see some of the questions they ask: phone number, how'd you hear about us, occupation, where you are, sex, hate, what's your body type. Oh, shit. So, yeah, definitely do not want any larger women. They probably want something this size and a little bit more fit. Definitely probably not the dad bods, but this a little bit smaller. I probably look like this right here. Probably like that. Ain't gonna do me like that. And antibiotics used, antifungal, antiviral. So if you use any antibiotics, they may or may not take you. If you lift weights, play sports, exercise. I think exercise would be probably get you in there. On top of boo-boo you got. Wow. Stool consistency, how many a day? Diarrhea, constipation, do you get heartburn? Any food cravings, allergies? And that is just the first page. So they asked for a lot. We still haven't figured out. Donors are trained to make the capsules and samples. They store them in a standard freezer until otherwise specified or requested. Okay. So yeah, I guess you could mail this stuff in, you freeze it and then mail it in. You got to keep your poop on deck. Well, let's go into some other companies. This one is called Biome Bank. Of course, I'm going to leave a link to each one of these companies down in the description below. So become a donor. What is the Stool program? We got a video. And you got your poo contains complex community of tiny microscopic organisms. Lives in millions of people. Healthy microbiome communities collected in stool samples you donate. The Biome Bank helps us make donor-derived biome-based therapies. Learn how different microbial species influence your health. Discover and develop a generation of microbiome-based therapies of chronic disease. I do know colon cancer, which runs in my family, and a lot of people, just based off of diets here in America, that colon cancer is very prevalent. So this is one thing that helps out with colon cancer research, patients, things of that nature. So you're doing good, and you're going to get a little money on the side. So the steps: check if you're eligible. Let's see the eligibility. There's a young lady, be hit and 50, 18 and 50. So got to be between 18 and 50. That's most of the people on this channel. And live in the Adelaide metropolitan area or be a regular traveler to the Terrebonne for donations. So this one is geo-restricted, but not all of them are. So don't click off this video. I got 4 more that they want you to mail these stuff in. But we got Good Nature, the third one on our poop journey today. Why donate? Become a donor. See if you're eligible. Certain demographics, get paid, earn up to $1,500 a month. Jesus Christ. Donors, barber, pilot. Student nature programs. Get started. Let's see. Got age, sex, next steps, locations. There we go. Irvine, Tempe, Cambridge. This is California. Looks like this is a California-based company. So I'm not sure if you get to mail your stuff in. Who can participate? Program. Don't smoke. Cannot participate while you're pregnant. Same 18 to 50. I get paid. Yes, you get paid. Donors pay $75 per visit, up to $1,500 a month. Who is Therapeutics? They're a company. Okay. How can I become a donor? When would I know if I'm eligible? What if I don't live near? There we go. If you do not live near a Good Nature donation center, there will still ways to involve a Good Nature community, such as research. Boy, I'm trying to get paid, man. So it looks like this one is geo-restricted as well. So you have to be in the California area. And then last but not least, Finch, the microbiome and exciting new modality. So they got some information about the company, but how do you become a donor? I do not see. How do you become a donor? I do not see that information. It's on the contact, general inquiries. Okay, so this is not what we want here. Let's see. Here's the one in Cambridge. Poop. poopforpurpose.com or the same company. Okay. So how do I poop for purpose? Tell me. All right. So this is a company based out of Massachusetts. You may have to just call and email them to see, how you can submit your stool samples. I do know that they are taking stool samples though. 180K year per year pooping is crazy. Look at all these news articles covering this. So this has been around for a while. There's like a lot more places do it. Here's one in the Cleveland Clinic doing it. Place in Tempe, Arizona. So they're all over. So if these companies are not in your area, I would advise you to Google poop stool donations or poop donors, micro donations, and then followed by your city. I guarantee you will find something. So let's try this out. Let's see. Paid stool donations, and then Atlanta. So let's see who's doing it. It's Good Nature. They came up. Fecal microbe in Greater Atlanta. Let's see what they're all about. The AJC did an article back in 2015, though. So let's do this one. GI for kids, transplant. I don't see anything. Open biome, Boston. So this is more of a general article than what's in my area. Well, let's go back. We're going to find something. Let's do near me. And still got the same ones. Same ones. Make money. Donating poop. Cleveland Clinic. Minnesota. That's not good enough. We're going to find something. We're going to find you. We're going to find you. Let's see what this one's talking about. It's the same website. Here go one, something in Georgia, fecal transplant. How does fecal transplant work? So you can actually transplant poop out your body to the next one. This video is getting kind of long. I'm going to shorten this up for you, but this is very interesting as I'm going through this. So they got clinic location, Atlanta, Fayetteville, all through Georgia. So that's how you do it, Find a clinic. Here's one right off of Collier Road. I can go do my samples. I'm not sure how much they pay or if they even pay, but that is a way you find places in your area, man. How you boss up. Guys, you got to start using these search tools, search engines, ChatGPT, just Google Indeed. They are a wealth of information. If you can't find things in your area, leaving me comments, I appreciate it. I answer every comment that comes to me. If I know the answer to it, or if I deem it a reasonable question or comment, I answer everything. But you guys can do a lot on your own by simply just going to Google, typing in what you're trying to do, gig work, box truck, cargo van, medical courier, and then followed by your city. You will find far more resources faster than me just trying to give you stuff. But like I said, I've shown you guys plenty of times on how to get jobs and get business and grow your own income with this channel. So I appreciate you hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, leaving a comment, and sharing this, and not skipping the ads. Watch all the ads that come through. I appreciate you. For next time, we boss up, man. I keep you guys getting paid in different ways to level up in life. Peace.